Tell me.
Well, I spoke with him. I think the first bond violation looks like he got home about 9:04. The second one, obviously, much more of an issue since he got home about an hour and 37 minutes after the curfew. So,
Mr. Napoleon, come up.
Mr. We went to 2 unknown residential houses and that's something.
And we told him not to go anywhere. Is that what we did?
He had a 9 p.m. curfew and he didn't get back home until.
I don't know what to tell you, Mr. Napoleon. Sorry. You know, he's going out the gas stations. He's doing stuff that this is exactly what we tried to prevent him from doing. You're just doing whatever you want to do. Good, goes with you. Sorry.
you're going to vote and set it on something else?
Yeah, of course. His bond's what?
$100.
Normally on bond violations, we'll do 5,001, but if there's something else that you're,
What did you say you put in that?
normally what we do is 5,001. That's what we normally do, but I mean, you guys, if you have a different, just let me know, and then if it's reasonable, I'm down. Okay.
Judge, I'm present whenever you're free. Thank you.
Hey,
Hello, Judge. I have
what's up?
doing well. I have 2 cases. Frank Garabee, he actually has 2 cases ending in 994 and 995. We're just waiting on the blood, the results of that. It looks like the videos were in, everything else.
What's the last name of your client, Dan?
Garabee is the first one, Garibay.
Page 9.
Yeah, okay, we'll just give you a normal reset on that one.
Okay, and then the other one I have is Oscar Fabula, 2593554. Everything is in. We're just waiting for PTI approval.
Oh, bottom 7, Judge.
That's it. Parwa,
Yeah, I'm taking a look at it right now.
is it, they've turned everything that needed to turn in though?
Yes, you have. The application is. Yeah, I'll take a look at it for PCI.
Okay, can you give me a couple minutes, Dan? They're gonna see about
Sure.
approving or
Oh,
whatnot.
great.
Okay, thanks. Just give me a couple minutes.
I'll just wait on the line, no problem. And
Yeah,
then
what
the,
are you looking at? Just reset.
9 through the 11.
June 9th through the 11th, Dan.
yeah, just let's do the 10th, June 10th.
Hey, what day?
The 10th of June.
Are you interested in PTI on that one?
Yes.
Yeah, so I guess by then, if you can have it pretty,
Yeah, we'll turn in everything. I'll get everything done. And I'll just wait on the
and
other.
I'll tell you now, Dan, you're
Yes.
probably gonna need a really good mitigation packet due to all the BVRs, man. Okay?
Okay, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, just give us a couple minutes and then,
Yes, sounds great.
okay. I'm paying for it, so it's really no, you know.
We're going to leave it.
Okay, I mean, just if you change your mind, just let me know.
Yeah, no, you're right. It's
It's,
safe for him.
Yeah.
Thank you, dude.
hi, Justin.
Zabra Young.
Okay,
She's in custody. That case, she was 22 years old. She has no criminal history. This was a case from 2022. Looks like it was a bond forfeiture in 2023. From what I understand, she got released from the jail and on a PR bond and never came to a court date. It's not like she came here and had a reset and left. And I recall from back in that time that there were some people who were getting released from jail and we were opening things back up after COVID, but it didn't kind of be complete.
yeah, but we gave her another PR bond in 23, which is way past COVID and it fails to appear again. So we first did a summons, doesn't appear for the summons. I'm assuming she gets arrested. We give her a PR bond on that one and then takes off and now back here.
Okay.
That's what I have here.
I didn't see all that, but she, from what I can also tell, she turned herself in. She found out she had a job at the airport and she was going through the screen for the security. And they told her about this warrant. They didn't take her into custody. And so she turned herself in at the JVC on Monday to clear this up. Her first day of work is tomorrow. She still has the job. She can make it to work. So she has a 5-year-old son who's with her sister right now. She and her sister live together. And she's got this job. We're just seeing if there's any way we can get her out. The state's made a retail theft pretrial intervention offer for her.
Does she have anyone that's gonna bond her out?
Right now, she doesn't have the means for that.
The hun-
So,
she's-
her sister might have some money, but I haven't talked to her sister yet. So we want to see if we've got the pretrial intervention offer today or the ARA.
I understand, and that's great that they still offered it considering the case is,
They just offered it today. Never before.
well, because she's never been here, right? And she's never, right. But the case is now, what, 4 years old? At what point do we have accountability? At what point does accountability matter? Right.
How rarely do you have someone who actually did turn themselves in?
I don't know that.
But that,
Diana, do you see that? Can you tell? Her last name is Young. Can you see, does she turn herself in or did she get arrested? Are you able to see that if she, did she?
Well, I don't think it specifies if you turn them like, it just feels as a one is returned, so that's a replacement.
When was that?
Oh, for this, there was a policy. Yeah.
she went in on the Monday afternoon.
I don't, but I don't know that. There's no way of us to verify that. I mean, that surely helps, but I have no way of knowing that and I'm not going to take her word for it. So how else do we determine that?
Okay.
I'm not going to continue to give PR bonds when we've already done it multiple times. At some point, we have to hold someone accountable.
Okay. Is there any way we should find out if she did turn herself in?
We just have a phone check department.
Take a look into that.
I'm pretty sure,
Okay.
yes, but my records just show that she was spoken on the 20th.
Okay.
If you go on the phone over there, I think the extension is 6060 for fugitive warrants, and they may be able to tell you.
Okay, let me see if I can find out.
Yeah, and then let me know.
So we're close to having this thing.
Great.
done for everybody. You have to spend $130 with the kill theft program, so money's gonna be tight with that, and then the
Actions have consequences, and it's not a revolving door. You know what I mean?
I agree with that. I don't think that her actions show that this consequence is what she needs right now. And if her actions were that she turned herself in.
I don't know that.
This court, like,
But I don't know that, John.
that's where this court challenged people who claimed that they were on their way to the jail and they got pulled over and got arrested then. And she's not even claiming that. She's like, I know, I turned myself in at the jail. And I was like, wait, really? Okay, I'll be right back. Let me go talk to the judge about that.
Go check
So I
and
think
let me know.
reward that kind of thing. So let me see if I can hear.
Hi, are you ready?
Yes, John, can I approach?
Please.
I'm here on Daniel Williams, who's on docket today.
Broncos 31.
Okay.
I was just told I have to check in.
Yeah,
on the
it's,
case.
you're nearly at 180 days.
Yeah.
Tell me, where are we going? What do you want to do?
Well, I'm trying to negotiate with the state. They're tough. I don't know how much.
Touche.
Yeah, but,
I get it.
I am waiting on some discovery. There's.
That's a problem.
Well,
At 180 days.
To be fair to the state, I just mentioned it today.
But
And
that's not, it's their job to get the discovery.
oh, in that case, yeah, it is their job.
It's not your job to get the
Yeah,
discovery.
you're right, you're on.
Right.
Um,
So what's the deal, Pickle?
Look, there's a trespass affidavit that we're trying to hold.
Okay. When's that gonna happen? Because the case is 180 days old.
I understand, Judge.
How about this? We'll give you a week.
Sounds good, Judge.
You got a week. At that point, justice delayed is right. So we'll set you for a week.
okay.
If there's something that you guys want to do between now and then, if they put an offer that
There is an
requires,
offer in.
but if there's something that you want to take where they're going to plead to it or need where he needs to be here, then he's got to be here.
Mhm.
Otherwise, if it's just for a status regarding this, then I'll waive it.
Okay.
Okay. But at that point, we're fast tracking it because it's going to be over 180, near to close to 200 days on a trespass.
Yeah,
Right. Okay.
yes, sir.
All right. Week.
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah. No, sorry, I was so bad today. You have another rating? This is that one for me. This is the shock. It's an email with,
Especially, staff.
Yeah.
Let me find that.
So it's actually- Yeah, but here's-
Bro, it is hard. I'll do the.
Leave that.
Judge for Williams, required to
Put required for now, unless there's nothing that they're still waiting on discovery, I'm going to waive it, but required for purposes of resolving the case.
That's a good one.
Thanks.
Council for Lisa. Judge, do you have time for case reviews?
Always for you. First cause number.
259.
Okay.
3416.
Okay.
He currently lives in Luna, Texas, and so he's just asking if he can transfer the probation. He is currently 2 hours away from, where he's currently at, the office that we have closest to him.
How long is the probation?
He's gonna be on until March 11th of 2027, so a year.
Is that enough time?
Mhm.
Okay, yeah. As long as you compliance remains compliant, yeah.
The next one is 254.
Okay.
4348. They wanted 6 month extension for him to complete IOP and SOP. He's he's completed EDM, the parenting class, the victim impact, and the DWI education course.
Great.
He was struggling financially, so he didn't have the money to pay for IOP or SOP. So they gave him until. Okay. And you're okay with extending him?
Yeah.
Okay.
But let them know that we're, how much are we killing?
940,000.
Okay, we'll use the money that you would pay here for the
The
IFP.
class,
There's no
okay.
excuse. It doesn't get extended again.
Okay.
You know, if you,
Okay, the next one is 252.
a second. Okay, 252.
7282. So she's completed all of her classes and stuff with us, but she picked up some Class D misdemeanors in Rosario County for no Texas driver's license, no insurance, and expired plates. So all her drug tests have been negative. She's paid all her fees and she's completed it. She's supposed to get off July 27th.
It's also not like, I have like.
What happened with those ones? Did she get charged?
You just traffic court.
Yeah, okay, just you continue. How much does she have left?
3 weeks.
You can,
Everton. And then the last one is 255.
255.
9015.
Oh, gosh.
He's continued to test positive since being on probation. He's currently enrolled in Beacon for a change now. He's, and is supposed to complete it on July 9th. He gets off July 27th, so 22nd, so they're
He's still
asking.
testing positive?
Mhm.
Let's do a ported month. Yeah.
Does it matter to them or does?
No, I don't care. Just don't, not Friday, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's all. Thank you.
Thanks.
Just,
Thanks.
There's some information to some.
Got it.
Administrative bar and schedule, you were gonna get an hour to travel to and from work.
Yeah, but not 4. It's, he starts his job at 6, right? So 5 AM to,
It'll be, 5 AM to 7 PM.
okay.
Is it John? Oh, isn't that? Bro? Exactly.